Hi, I'm Juan Escobar, and this is Project Juan, CS50 Web Programming with Python and JavaScript at Harvard University. This project consists of the development and implementation of a Wikipedia using Django development framework. This application has been deployed in a local environment on the local host IP on port 8000. And like the Wikipedia website, when visiting Wikititle, where title is an encyclopedia entry, the content of this entry is displayed to the user. In the index page of the application, it is possible to access the list of all the encyclopedia entries and click on the name of any entry to be redirected to the page of that entry. It also has a search engine which allows the user to search for a particular entry. The user can also type part of the name of the entry to obtain a result page with the entries that include the query as a substring. The Create New Page link allows you to create a new entry. The content of the entry is saved in Markdown format, however, it is displayed in HTML format to the user. The user will see an error page in case the entry already exists. Each entry page has a link where the user will be able to edit the content of the entry. The random page links allow the user to go to a random entry each time they click on it.